today we did a full entertainment screen upgrade on a BMW E84 X1. This is a 2014 model car and it came with the inset screen. This is the top end car, so it had the original iDrive and the onboard computer. If you see, the screen is exactly the original style screen, so it looks very OE, and the interface is like the newer BMW iDrive 6. We can also access the older iDrive version, so basically, you know, the iDrive 4, which was inbuilt in this car, so we have full access to that. And on the screen, if we touch the screen, it goes back to the newer touchscreen iDrive 6 interface. This has a host of lot of options, like you've got media to play music, videos, you've got navigation, so it comes with GPS antenna and a 4G Wi-Fi antenna and stuff like that. The navigation app can be set at any Android app, so presently we've set it as Google Maps, so we can use this to navigate through the city and stuff. Very popular app nowadays. Most people only use Google Maps for their navigation. In order to search this successfully, we will need to have connectivity of Wi-Fi, and this iDrive controller doesn't work on the Google Maps. So on the main menu it will work, but whereas within the app you'll have to use the touch screen. So we can just type in a destination and move on. Let me type this down and okay. So I've just picked up a random destination. Hit on start. So what this will do, this will give us
head west toward 2nd Main Road.
Alright, so navigation's up. It connected to the satellites pretty quickly, as you can see. So stop this navigation and use the mini menu to get out of here. Alright, if we hit car, we can go back to the older iDrive menu as I would have shown you earlier, so the entire features are enabled. The system has to be in aux for the sound from the new screen to transfer and you to be able to hear anything. So this is very important. It needs to be in aux mode, and just check the volume. Alright, we can go out of here by touching the screen, and here comes the media section, under which we could play music, video, or look at pictures. Touch on the screen and we can look at the various folders which are there. So this drive has a lot of music, so let's pick up something. Alright, so we can use the iDrive controller knob to basically do the basic functions on this, like change the track to the next track, pause the music, go into the folders, and then kind of search another song and pick that up. So that way is quite handy. Alright, phone basically will let us pair our Bluetooth, so it would throw up numbers of people who are calling us. We could look at, you could stream music by clicking here, and Bluetooth pairing and stuff. So right now it's connected to my phone. The AC controls, which basically are manual knobs on a automatic AC control out here, do not display on the main screen. Then comes instrument. This instrument section basically gives us some basic features like RPM, speed and stuff like that, whether the handbrake's engaged or not. As you can see, if I pull up the handbrake, it becomes red, and you release it, it becomes white. It shows us how much the car has run and how much the fuel range is left and stuff like that, some basic information. The browser will let us pull up Google browser, so that we can search for keywords. The app section will basically let us access the apps that are installed. We can install new apps and stuff, so that way pretty unlocked experience. The settings section gives us all the main primary settings like navigation and sound options and a host of different things. Alright. There's an option to put off the display so that it doesn't disturb the drive while night drives. Some people find it disturbing if that screen is kind of lighting up. So there's another cool feature out here. So basically if we hit the menu button, so it expands the menu and we can look at all the icons, almost all the icons at one shot. So different options. Then this screen has video in motion, so basically we could watch videos while driving, though that's not a good idea. We don't recommend it, but nonetheless it's still available. And if we click on video and just search down, the screen clarity is actually pretty nice on the screen. Looks really good. You can go into full screen mode too. Sound quality is pretty nice. You could scroll to a different part of the video. Okay, we stopped the video. Let's go back in media. So the iDrive controller works pretty seamlessly with this system. So if we hit the menu option, it just pulls up the menu. If we hit the media option, it changes between the sources. So as you can see, it went back to the original iDrive screen. Let's go back to this. Hit back. Click and play. If we engage the reverse gear, basically we've installed a car specific camera on this system, so it shows a beautiful clear display of everything at the back. The system has adaptive guidelines, so as you can see, as we turn the steering, the adaptive guidelines show us what angle the car is reversing into. And if we disengage reverse, it just goes back to our same old Android menu. You can pick this up on evoretrofits.in. Get in touch with us to learn more features about the system. Have a nice day.